Hi, welcome to reviews-washer-dryer.com. This is a review of the Whirlpool WFW70HEBW washer. All the information is summarized for you in the 6 color-coded boxes at the top. Everything's rated from best to poor, green to red. Starting in the first box, the cleaning has HE wash capability. This model does not have an internal water heater or temperature device, but it does have a high efficiency wash system with gentle wash motions and sensors for your clothing, so that gets a good or average rating. Cycles has 7 cycles with 5 options, and that is about 30%, 34% lower than the average. That is a little bit lower than the average, so it does get a fair rating for the number of cycles and options. We'll go through some of the specifics below. Energy usage is 2.8 factor. The modified energy factor is 6% higher than average, so it ranks a little bit better than average, so that gets a better rating. Water is a 3.5 factor, and that is a little bit, once again, 3% lower than the average, so it does have a little bit better water efficiency than typical, so that gets a better rating as well. Warranty is a 1-year motor, 1-year tub. It's a standard 1-year parts and labor warranty, and that's fairly typical. It's a limited manufacturer warranty, of course, and that gets a good or average rating. The price is $207 per cubic foot, and that is about 26% lower than average, so it does rank in the top 15% of washing machines for best affordability, so it does get a best ranking for that category. Going down below here to the performance ratings, the spin speed, 1,200 RPMs. That is a little bit higher than average, so that does get a good check mark there. Temperature control, it does have auto temperature control, so it can automatically regulate those hot and cold water supplies to ensure they stay at the proper temperature, so it gets a check mark as well for that. The water level, it has automatic water level designed with sensors to detect load size and adjust that to meet cleaning and rinsing performance. It gets a check mark as well. It also has vibration control, so it actively works to keep the washing machine drum balanced and ready to go, so that gets a check mark as well. It also has stainless steel wash drum, so it gives that long-lasting wash tub material to resist corrosion and chipping and extra durability, so it gets a check mark as well for that. Convenience ratings, it is 4.1 cubic foot. Interior capacity, that is higher than average. It gets a check mark there as well. The manufacturer suggested retail price is $849. That is about 23% lower than the average, so that gets a check mark there. Display, it does have your LED display. It does provide information on cycle times and things of that nature, programming status, so it gets a check mark as well. It does have delay start feature where you can put in a later date or time, and it'll conveniently do that for you and start up at that time. It does have a 3-4 tray dispenser. Bleached fabric softener detergent can be preloaded, and those dispensing trays, and that can automatically be released during the washing machine time in the cycle, so that is a check mark there as well. It also has stackable. Like most new washers, it can be stacked vertically. Energy ratings, it is Energy Star qualified. It does meet or exceed those federal standards. 143 kilowatt hours annually is the estimated annual electricity. That is 11% lower than the average. Earns it a check mark there. It is a CEE Tier 3 consumption for energy efficiency, so that is a good model there. That Tier 3 energy efficiency gets a check mark as well. It also has that Eco Cold Wash, that special cycle available for eco-friendly, but it also employs a unique process to help clothes stay clean. We do have over 1,000 other reviews on the website. If you go to the homepage, reviews-washer-dryer.com, you'll see some of the most popular washers there summarized for you. Also, if you click on Top Rated in the top left-hand corner, you'll see a summary of the highest rated models. Also, you can search by price. You're able to search by best, by front load, top load, best dryer. You can look by washer reviews for front load, top load, HE, dryer reviews. You can also search by brand, and there's also information in discontinued model sections. If you have any questions or comments about this review or any others, please leave those for us, and we just thank you for taking a look at this review.